Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. In its May 2025 monetary policy release, the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, announced a reduction in its policy interest rates by 25 basis points, bringing it down from 6% to 5.75%. This decision reflects the central bank's confidence in the continued stability of inflation, which has remained within the target range of 4% to 6% since September 2024. The BOJ emphasized this move is intended to support economic growth while preserving macroeconomic stability, signaling a cautiously optimistic stance on the country's economic trajectory. However, the BOJ also highlighted emerging global risks, particularly those stemming from policy shifts in the United States. In a moment described as both long overdue and full of promise, Mr. Garnet Reid, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, SBAJ, has formally welcomed the Honorable Minister Darrell Vaugh's announcement of a national call for competitive bidding in the issuance of Jamaica's next electricity license. Speaking from the SBAJ's headquarters in Kingston, Mr. Reid praised Minister Vaz for what he called a courageous and commendable step in confronting the long-standing energy crisis plaguing Jamaica's small and medium enterprises. The cost of electricity in Jamaica has long outpaced the ability of small businesses to innovate, expand, and employ, Mr. Reid noted. For too long, our sector has shouldered the burden of inefficiency and monopoly. This move towards an open bidding process gives us hope for lower costs, greater efficiency, and most importantly, more jobs. For the trading period ending May 21, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education platform Edufocal Limited with 5,658,576 units traded, representing 25.97% of market sales volume. Entertainment and gaming conglomerate Supreme Ventures Limited with 3,588,059 units traded, representing 16.46% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,558,146 units traded, representing 16.33% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 21, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $64.38 million purchased and US $67.97 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.61 per dollar, selling the US at $159.72 and buying the US at $158.11. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.03 per transaction, with selling at $115.31 and buying at $114.28. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.37 in profits, with selling at $213.66 and buying at $209.29. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score doesn't just determine what you can borrow, it influences what you can build. From funding your business to securing real estate deals, credit is the silent partner in many wealth moves. The truth is, improving your credit score opens the door to cash opportunities that most people never tap into, simply because they don't know how powerful it really is. You can qualify for grants and funding that require financial responsibility, or you can gain credibility for joint ventures and partnerships. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.